Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a qualification mode for a hit called Video High Risk Labeling. It's the Japanese version, and for this one, we need a translator. For this, I am using the add-in called Google Translator. You can download it from the Chrome store if you are on a desktop computer. On a mobile device, I doubt it'll work. But for this one, we have a guideline. This is the guideline, and there is also a Word file, I'm thinking. Yeah, you can also download that one. But me, I am going to work with the guideline or guidelines already on the hit app. Uh, Moving on. I'm not sure if I have audio recorded. Let me double check. Microphone quality. Oh, all right. I cannot modify it. By the way, guys, before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. So for this one, let's go ahead and translate the query. U.S. elections. So the labels are very high impact, medium impact, low impact, and adult. The topics for high impact, these topics have very high risk of low authority. And oh my goodness, let me cancel out of this. Okay, low authority content. This is a a specific list as detailed below. Coronavirus, vaccination, climate change, hate, um, anti Semitic hate, gender based hate, sensitive info, purchasing drugs, financial scam, self harm or suicide, political topics, political figures, or elections. So, obviously, US elections will have very high impact category. Oh, this query is classified as high impact because it belongs to topic breaking news. All right, COVID-19 case study. I am going to go with very high impact here. We got one mistake already. Vaccines are not safe. That is also high impact. Sean Connery's death. High impact. These queries that pose a risk to physical, emotional, or financial well-being of users. Medium impact. These are queries where authority is important but not paramount. Example: music, TV show, sports, celebrities from segments such as sports movie, TV show, musical entertainment. The queries are usually medium risk unless there's some major controversy, conspiracy, death, or crime. So this is okay. I am a bit confused with this one. Sean Connery's death. I am going to go with high impact here. Yep, we got it right. So how Titanic sank pose a risk. This is I am gonna go with very high impact. Let's see how it goes. General knowledge query. I think that'll fall under low impact. That's fine. Two mistakes, guys. NASA lied about landing on the moon. Definitely, that's very high impact. Let's translate this one. Biden inauguration ceremony. That's I'm gonna go with high impact here. Hmm. The query is classified very high. It belongs to the topic politics. All right, anything politics again is high impact. Three mistakes. So for this one, Armenian genocide is not real. I'm gonna go with very high impact. For this, black increase crime in the neighborhood. That's gonna be very high impact. Is the vaccine safe? Very high impact. I'm not sure if we are past. Okay, we failed three mistakes, guys, and you are going to fail the qualification. Let's give it another shot. Uh, User identify very high risk labeling. Let's qualify again. It's a bit hard to work on. Let's translate this one. Black with black crime rate. I am going to go with very high impact. Islam is a religion of violence. Very high impact here. How to cure a cold. Uh, I am going to go with medium here. Hold on. Low impact. I'm gonna go with medium. Oh, this qualifies as high impact. Oh man, one mistake. Uh, Cancer treatments are hidden by major pharmaceutical companies. I'm gonna go with very high here. iPhone 12 review. I am going to go with low impact. Oh man, expert opinion move more preferred than any random opinion. Uh, I'm not sure what the answer there is. I'm gonna go with medium impact here. Deep state Okay, that's very high impact. I want to finish this up really quick. Vaccine is safe, very high. Hindus are okay, very high as well. Very high as well. Okay, we passed the qualification. Again, this is a hit called High Video Risk Labeling Japanese version. I hope this video helped you out. Again, my name is Ghost, and our Facebook group is called ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. See you on the next video, and I hope you all can join the group and subscribe to this channel again. Thank you.